Hi, I am Alane, a certified holistic nutritionist. I have over 30 years of success. If you are struggling with symptoms of menopause, weight gain, hormone imbalance, autoimmunity, Lyme disease, hair loss, skin eruptions, I've got you covered. Together, we can avoid traps like wasting time, money, and energy, so you can finally feel healthy again. And I'm 61, and I'm told I don't look 61. What's next? Dive into my videos. Learn some actionable tips that you can use right away. And when you're ready for a personalized plan, book your virtual appointment right away. Many times I use functional labs that get to the root cause of symptoms and health challenges, so you finally get the answers you need. Your success is closer than you think. I can't wait to meet you and help you achieve your health and wellness goals.